Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am finally doing my straight hair routine. I've been posting a lot of videos on my Instagram and I've received so many requests, so here I am today to show you. So we're starting off this video in the shower, and my hair is already straight, but it's been like this for the past 10 days and I'm so ready to wash my hair. So of course I'm going to start with water. The great secret of straightening your hair starts in the bowl, and for me starts in the shower. So I'm going to really get my hair nice and wet to get it ready for shampoo. So my first step is going to be a clarifying shampoo, and I tend to do this once a month, not all the time, just once a month. The one that I'm using here is from Miele. It's an exfoliating shampoo, which is also a clarifying shampoo, and I tend to do it 2 times in the shower to really make sure that my hair is not only nice and clean, but my scalp is also very clean. So I tend to use it a couple of times just to make sure that my hair is lovely and squeaky clean. So my second step is going to be a moisturizing shampoo. I want to add more hydration and of course moisture back into my hair, and I absolutely love this one from Kerastase. It's from the Nutritive Magistral line. I love this one. Because I've already exfoliated and clarified my shampoo, I tend to use this one only once, and as you can see, it has this beautiful lather, and it really leaves my hair feeling nice and soft. So step number 3 is going to be deep conditioner. The one that I use is from Kerastase as well. It's from the Magistral line, so it's the Magistral hair mask, and I absolutely love this. If you guys are interested in a review, I've done it. I'll link it above for you guys. This is insanely good, and it just takes all of my knots away, makes my hair super duper soft, and it's super easy to add and kind of like really moisturize my ends. I really love it. And as you can see here, I am detangling my hair with a tangle teaser. This one is for wet hair, and I love it because this mask just makes my hair so soft that the tangle teaser just kind of like glides through. I prefer to use a brush rather than a wide tooth comb. I find that it breaks my hair, and this way it doesn't. And I only leave this mask 5 minutes in my hair. I don't leave it for longer because it's not necessary. I always follow the instructions. And as you can see here, my hair is completely detangled and it feels amazing. Okay, so step number 4 is going to be conditioner. And I know some of you are going to ask, why are you adding conditioner if you've already applied mask? But if you have coarse hair and gray hair like I do, the more moisture you add to your hair, the better it is, at least in my opinion and experience. I find that this one from Kerastase, which is the Fondant Magistral, works amazing. You only need a little bit. I like brushing it through again through my hair, and I don't leave it in at all. I rinse it off straight away. I just want to add more moisture and seal it in so my hair doesn't dry whilst I'm drying it. Okay, so moving on to heat protectant treatment and leave-in. As you can see here, I have 3 products from Kerastase, which I will link below for you guys. But these are my swear-by products that work amazing on my hair. So now I'm going to kind of like towel dry my hair. I don't like my hair soaking wet when I'm blow drying it. It takes ages, and you need to add more heat to it, and it's not necessary. So step number 5 is going to be my scalp treatment. Again, I will put the name over here from this product. I can't remember, but I love it. This is to prevent breakage, and I've been using it for quite some time, and I see a difference. My hair is quite brittle at the moment, and I think it's because of the gray hair, and that really helps my hair. Step number 6 is going to be my leave-in / heat protectant. This one is also from Kerastase. It's from the Absolute line, and I love the scent, love how light it is, and it's perfect for blonde hair and for whoever has gray and silver hair. It really makes your hair shine a lot more and of course protect your hair. Okay, so step number 7 is going to be the blow drying process. As you can see here, I am using tension and I'm trying to dry my roots first. I'm using the Dyson Supersonic with a round brush that I got from Sally Beauty. Don't remember the name, but it works well on my hair. So before I start fast forwarding this kind of like blow drying process, I want to show you a section so I can show you how I actually do it. So I tend to blow dry my roots first and I use tension the entire time, and I only get to my ends when I feel that the roots and the mid parts of or the mid lengths of my hair are completely dry and straight. So I go through it quite a few times. Please bear in mind, I don't use straighteners all that much. The blow drying for me is what makes my hair look smooth. It's the secret to a good blowout, and I try not to use the straightener. So I will go over and over on each section to make sure that my hair is nice and smooth. As you can see here, always using tension and the nozzle facing the hair, but I don't have it on very, very high heat. I blow dry my hair on medium heat and high power of airflow. I went blank over there, but you guys know exactly what I mean, but I don't use it on high heat at all, and I find that my hair dries really nicely. And here, as you can see, I'm twisting the brush and I just want to create a little bit of movement and a little bit of waves on my hair. So I'm going to repeat the same process all over my hair, and I'm going to fast forward these parts so you guys don't get bored, but this is what I do all over my hair. So as you can see here, I've already done a half of my hair. My hair looks nice and shiny, lovely and smooth, and it also has a little bit of a wave, which is something that I really love. So I'm going to continue blow drying the rest of my hair. So my last step will be an oil / serum. The one that I use is the Elixir Ultime by Kerastase, and I tend to only apply it mid-lengths to ends because I don't want to make my hair greasy. I just want to add shine and seal the hairstyle. So here is the finished look. This is how my hair always turns out every time I do a good blowout. I love the volume, the texture at the ends, and the further the week goes, the nicer my hair looks, just because I feel like it settles into the style. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.